Hey y'all, I'm coming back at you with another video. This recipe is really easy. I know this looks like a lot of ingredients because it is, but nevertheless, this is a really easy video and the full recipe is in the description box. All right, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is prepare your chicken. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt, pepper, and garlic salt on both sides. Then I'm going to put it in a pan with a little bit of olive oil and kind of saute both sides. So once my chicken is done, no pink in the middle. You want your chicken to be all the way done, but not dry. Don't overdo it, but just make sure it's all the way done. If you're ever worried about it, I'll cut a little piece in the middle to make sure it's done. Anyway, you're gonna shred that with 2 forks and that's it. We're also gonna go ahead and prepare our shells. You only need about 20 to 25 shells and you want to follow the instructions that's on the box. Now that our chicken is all shredded, I'm gonna put that in a bowl and I'm gonna add all of my cheeses. The ricotta cheese, cottage cheese, mozzarella cheese, what else? And the Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add those to our chicken. All the measurements and stuff is in the description box. If you're watching this on Facebook, I'm probably gonna put the recipe in the comments. Now I'm going to add in my eggs, my salt, pepper, basil, and parsley. I'm also going to add a splash of cream, or you could even do milk here, just so that it's a little easy to stir. So this is what it should look like after you mix it up. It kind of looks like tuna fish, but this is how it should look. Now I'm just gonna melt some butter in a saucepan on medium heat. Once that is all melted down, I'm going to sprinkle in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So once your flour is kind of a golden brown, go ahead and add your milk, heavy cream, basil, parsley, salt and pepper, also some minced garlic. I'm not a huge fan of garlic, so I'm only gonna add about 2 teaspoons, but if you just love garlic, then add more than that. Add however much you like. And then after I do that, I'm gonna add a very good amount of Parmesan cheese, because that's what makes the Alfredo sauce Alfredo. It's all about the cheese. The cheese is gonna set it off. Now I'm gonna stuff my cooked shells. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Just stuff them. I kind of overstuff mine because I like a lot of filling. So just stuff it to your liking. Now that our sauce is thick and bubbly, I'm going to remove from heat and we're going to start building our dish. I'm going to put a couple spoonfuls of the sauce on the bottom of the pan. Well, not a pan, on the bottom of the dish. This is a 9 by 13 inch glass dish, in case you're wondering. Then I'm going to set my shells right on top. I'm going to line them up as close as I can get them. And we're going to cover these with the remainder of the Alfredo sauce. And that's pretty much it. Almost forgot the cheese. Of course, at the very end, once you're done building it, you want to add a good amount of mozzarella cheese and also some Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley. That's really more so for decoration purposes so that it doesn't look so white, you know, just to add a little bit of color. And that is it. You're going to put this in the oven on 375 degrees for 25 minutes. And that is it. This dish was so easy to make, but it was so delicious. I promise you, it is so good. I'm the pickiest eater ever, but I really, really love this dish. And when y'all pull it out of the oven, it should look like this, have little touches of brown on the top. It's bubbly on the side. Y'all, it's so good. Anyway, if you like this recipe or you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.